Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight, we take you to the Silver Bowl in Mount Carmel, Pennsylvania for the neighborhood encounter between the visiting Our Lady of Lourdes Regional Red Raiders and the Mount Carmel Area High School Red Tornadoes. It is Friday night, the 19th of September, 1975, and game time, as usual in those days, at 8 p.m. And now the starting lineup for Our Lady of Lourdes High School. At left end, number 80, Mark O'Gara. Left tackle, 74, Charles Zukas. Left guard, 60, Mike Schlenker. Center, 51, Robbie Blindstein. Right guard, 50, Joe Kalinowski. Right tackle, 71, Ed O'Donnell. Right end, number 82, Steve Krankowski. Quarterback, number 5, Larry Basso. Halfback, number 40, Mike Reipush. And the other halfback, number 22, Kevin Lazarski. The fullback, number 1, Bill Oberrosler. And there you see the entire squad of Our Lady of Lourdes 1975 team. The high school principal, Reverend Thomas R. Haney, athletic director, Leo Mulhall Jr., head football coach, Mike Gish Climbera Jr., assistant coach, Leo Mulhall Jr., Joseph Lebeski, John McKay, William Wolf, Mike Waitovich, and Robert Revito. Trainer, Francis Gursky, and the team physician, Dr. David Chicatano. And now the starting lineup for the Red Tornadoes of Mount Carmel Area High School. At left end, number 83, Jeff Karpinski. Left tackle, 65, Mark Kress. Left guard, 86, Dan Chaprinsky. Center, 54, Mike Bergamo. At right guard, number 62, Francis Murin. Right tackle, number 87, Bob Burns. Right end, number 88, John Greco. At quarterback, number 3, Bob Bullock. Fullback, number 5, Danny Chikuski. Wingback, 27, Tony Mararki. And the tailback, number 21, Joe Girolami. And there are the remainder of the 1975 Red Tornado squad. The head coach of the Red Tornadoes, Joseph Jazz Dimnick. Assistants, Joe Greco, Al Santos, Jim Sheehan, Andy Budnis, Leonard Guarna, and John Lempolsky. Superintendent of Schools, Joseph B. Warner. Principal, Stephen P. Zarlinski. Athletic Director, Kenneth Split. Team photographer, George McPhee. Team physician, Dr. Joseph F. Greco. And the team trainer, Tony Mazzella. And now the officials for tonight's game. Joseph Costa, Louis Marrero, Bernie Romanowski, and Angelo Franco. Franco was in focus and then it jumped out. The opening kickoff by number 23, Robbie Barrett, is taken by Kevin Lazarski at the 15 and returned 15 yards to 30. Lourdes with a 2nd and 3 at their own 37. Big number 75, Lindemuth crashes into quarterback number 5, Larry Basso, and left halfback number 40, Reichrich, causing a fumble recovered by number 70, Ron Savitsky. First regional with a 2nd and 8 at their own 37. Quarterback Broncos fumble is recovered by right linebacker Marshall Martin, number 71 at the Lourdes 36. Red Tornadoes take over. And the Red Tornadoes are now on the Lourdes 13. The give is to number 5, Danny Cherkusky, who goes outside and gets the corner of the end zone, a 13-yard touchdown. On a 2-point attempt, quarterback number 3, Bolek, to number 23, Robbie Zavarik, is good. And the scoreboard with 5:25 left in the first quarter, it's Mount Carmel area 8, Lourdes nothing. And that was Danny Cherkusky weaving in and out on that nice run. And Girolami had taken it down to the 4-yard line, but it was a fumble recovered by Lourdes. That was the last play of the first quarter. At the end of the first quarter, the scoreboard shows Mount Carmel Area 8, Lourdes Regional 0. Lourdes with a 1st and 10 at their own 40. Quarterback Basso back to pass. And under a big rush, his pass is deflected and intercepted by number 23, Robbie Zabarak at the Mount Carmel Area 47, and returned to the Lourdes 36, a 17-yard return. On 2nd and goal at the 8. Number 23, Robbie Zavarik, gets the end zone. Nice block by number 21, Girolami. Red Tornadoes going for a 2-point conversion attempt. Bullock back to pass, and he finds number 83, his end, Jeff Karpinski, in the end zone all by himself for the 2-point conversion. The scoreboard is 6:45 left in the second quarter. Mount Carmel Area 16, Lourdes Regional 0. Lourdes with a 2nd and 10 at their own 32. Basso's pass is intercepted by number 86, Stan Chaprinsky, and returned to the Lourdes 37-yard line. Red Tornadoes now have a second down at the Lourdes 25. Quarterback number 3, Bobby Bullock, back to pass, and he hits his big end, number 83, Jeff Karpinski, with a 15-yard TD pass. And the Red Tornadoes are going for a 2-point conversion attempt. Quarterback Bullock back and finds Robbie Zabarik, number 23, in the end zone for the 2-point conversion. Scoreboard now shows 4:24 left in the first half. Mount Carmel area 24, Lourdes Regional 0. And Joe Girolami picks up the first down for the Red Tornadoes. And now Danny Chikuski with some nice footwork. Barney goes out of bounds. Unfortunately, Bobby Bullock is picked off on this play down at the 2 or 3 yard line. And that pass completed by Basso to number 85, Brian Rodriguez. And at the end of the first half, the scoreboard shows Mount Carmel area 24, Lourdes Regional nothing. And Bullock finds Danny Tchaikovsky on that nice pass. Bullock on a keeper. It's down to about the 7-yard line. And the Red Tornado's drive was stopped as they were just short of the first down. And Basso's pass is picked off by Robbie Zavara. And Lourdes Regional going for it on 4th down as the right side of the Red Tornado stopped the play. Pass to Girolami was complete, but the fumble was recovered inbounds according to the official. That pass from Basso is taken by number 40, Mike Vipers. And now we see the scoreboard at the end of the third quarter. The Red Tornadoes of Mount Carmel area 24, Lourdes Regional Red Raiders 0. Overload for 41, knocking that pass down, Dominic McGinley. And the fumbled punt is recovered by the Red Tornadoes. Red Tornadoes first and goal at 7. Number 23, Robbie Tavares gets the handoff and dives into the end zone. Touchdown, Mount Carmel area. Red Tornadoes going for a 2-point conversion attempt. Quarterback Bolick pitches to number 21, Joey Girolami, and he gets in with 2-point conversion. And the scoreboard with 6:09 left in the game. It's Mount Carmel area 32, Lourdes Regional 0. And pass by Lourdes quarterback is picked off by Dominic McGinley, number 41. And that pass was incomplete. And on Malarkey's punt, there is a penalty. And it goes against the Tornadoes. Malarkey will repunt. Now playing quarterback for the Red Tornadoes, number 12, Joe Namath. Rick Perlis is at quarterback for Lourdes Regional. And that proves to be the final play of the game, a quarterback sack. And the scoreboard shows the final Mount Carmel Area 32, Lourdes Regional 0.